Hi all, Archana here. In this video, we are going to see two topics. One is about bat coronavirus found in two Indian species of bats, and second topic is about why men are more prone to women when it comes to this coronavirus. So, according to the coming to the topic of bat research, according to the ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research, has made a study of two species of bats, wherein they found bat coronavirus in these two species, that is Pteropus and Rosetus. So when they made a research on these two bats, that is the Indian species, they found bat coronavirus. But when we talk about bat coronavirus, this bat coronavirus is nowhere related to novel coronavirus. So novel coronavirus we all know as it is been spreading globally and it has become pandemic. And now when we talk about the study in which was taken during the year 2018 and 2019, where there was a spread of Nipah virus in Kerala. Of course, this Nipah virus was found in the Pteropus of the species. So, this ICMR and NRV, that is Indian Council Medical Research with National Institute of Virology from Pune, one of the scientists of NIV has made a research of these two main species wherein they found this bat coronavirus. So they have collected a lot of bats from most of the states, wherein from Himachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Kerala, wherein they found this bat coronavirus to be positive. But the same test when they conducted on the other bats, wherein they had collected bats from Karnataka, Odisha, Gujarat, and most of the other states, of course, they found this bat coronavirus negative. So, to the conclusion, what ICMR says is Indian species too, where they conducted the research on the two main Indian species, that is Pteropus and Rosetus. These are the two Indian bat species. They found bat coronavirus in these bats, wherein this virus is nowhere related to novel coronavirus, wherein we all know novel coronavirus is when compared to SARS-CoV-2. So this is severe acute respiratory syndrome. So this bat coronavirus is being collected with two Indian species, as I told you. And now when you talk about, they had even made a study of with this RT-PCR. So what is RT-PCR is reserve transcription polymerase chain reaction. This is the test used to do the confirmation of this bat coronavirus, how it is related with the novel coronavirus. And now when we talk about why the second topic, why men are more prone to coronavirus, that is novel coronavirus, than women. So according to the latest study, most of the men are more vulnerable to this novel coronavirus when compared to women. So even one of the Chinese researchers, that is where they found in the mid February, they have found that most of the Chinese men are prone to this novel coronavirus compared to women. That is about 2.8% of men are more prone to when compared to women. When we see women, only 1.7% of them have been infected to this coronavirus. So when we compare to other countries, as they have made a study of other countries, like if you go to say Italy, France, Spain, and of course in United Kingdom, they have even seen that according to their sex, aggregate that men are more prone to women. So why is that? So what is the reason behind this? So one of the researchers of the same Chinese researchers have put in one of the article that as men, most of the Chinese men tend to smoke more when compared to women. At least nearly half of the Chinese men do smoke, but wherein when you compare to women, only 2 out of 100 women smoke. So as they smoke, it is of course related to their lungs. So that is what is a study about. They say that because they smoke, men are more prone to this novel coronavirus than women. And if you go to when they say about one more study is when you smoke, their hand touches to their mouth. So and most of the people even share their cigarettes. So this can be the quite. This is so it is not yet proven that yes it is only because they smoke, but they say this can be the reason, but still the reason is still not sure and is still not found. So they say as they change cigarettes and of course when they smoke they touch their hand to their mouth. So this also can be the reason for men to get more infected when compared to women. And if you, another study says that when compared to the livelihood, women are much hygiene when compared to men. That is because even when they talk about this, what do you say, like the livelihood of women as when they use more of soap and wash their hands very frequently, but men do not bother to do that. So this also can be one of the reasons for men to get more infected when compared to women. But according to the microbiologist professor, that is Sabra Klein of John Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health, according to her study to the Guardian, uh, they have published in the Guardian that men's immune system may not have the lower initiate when compared to the women. That is because when a virus enters into a man's body, it the body the immune system of the men does not respond immediately to the virus as initiated its when it sees the virus into a man's body when compared to the women. So they say this can be the reason for, according to the professor Sabra Klein, this can be the reason that is the immune system of the men. But nothing is of sure till now that why men are more prone to women when it comes to the novel coronavirus. So this article I just went to in one of the local newspapers, that is Economic Times. I hope both these topics was informative to you all. Now, while coming to, I mean, when I talk about this lockdown, we all know this lockdown has been extended, and I hope your kids at home are making proper use of this lockdown. So when you talk about this proper utilization of this time during the lockdown, you can advise your children to read some books, cultivate some habit of reading, and you can also put them into online classes if you wish to, so that they do not spend more time on television or mobile games or maybe whatever PUBG and all is come up. So children are more addicted to these televisions and mobile games. So if you want to keep them away from all these, you can take the initiative and you can put them into some online classes so that it will be useful to them. You can sit with them and make them read some books, or even if they do not understand, you can read for them and explain to them. So please do utilize this lockdown for a good cause, and of course tell your children to read some books. Of course games is necessary, so let them play indoor games for a while, but make sure they utilize this time for a good cause, as we all know that once when the lockdown is over, when the life gets to normal, we won't get such quality time to spend with our family. So I hope this video was useful to you all. Let's meet up in my next video. Till then, bye.